Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this quick tutorial I will be showing you guys how to deactivate a WhatsApp community in your iPhone. So without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. What I want you to do is open your WhatsApp. Here I have a test community, so to deactivate this I will be showing you what can be done. Here, tap on Manage Community. If you cannot see the option for Manage Community, try sending a random message such as I'm doing here. After that, tap on it. Tap on that community group. Then on the bottom, you will there have an option called Deactivate Community. Tap on it and that's it. Now confirm to deactivate and there you have it. You have now successfully deactivated your community in your WhatsApp. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing contents. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.